It's okay. So, let's give these ones a shot. Let's start with the 2. Put the answer.
2. I don't want the red one.
You have to write the answer with red, please.
2 times 2 equals 4.
Thank you.
3
Excellent.
times 4 equals 12. 5 times 5 equals 25. 4 times 1 equals 4. 6 times 3 is...
Yes!
18.
Yes, my little mathematician.